Hey guys, this is Basti and today I am going to do a quick review of my brand new television from Xiaomi. Ito yung bagong P1 series na nirelease ng Xiaomi last week. So what I have here is yung 55 inches na variant and available din ito sa mas maliit na sizes, yung 50 inches, 43 inches at 32 inches. Hindi ko na nakuhanan ng video yung pag-unbox dahil sobrang laki nito at I needed extra hands para lang mailabas yung ating TV sa box ng maayos at hindi masisira. Inside the box, meron siyang kasamang documentation, dalawang power cable, stand, and meron siyang screw para sa stand and of course yung ating remote control. Guys, ito na yung ating TV and before natin to i-power on, explore muna natin yung kanyang back panel at yung kanyang design. Sa likod, nandito yung kanyang power outlet na 100 to 240 volts. And on this side, meron siyang dalawang USB port, tatlong HDMI port at nandito rin yung kanyang 3.5mm audio jack. Dito naman sa ibaba ay yung kanyang audio-video input, optical audio output, yung kanyang LAN port at yung coaxial port. Guys, may built-in na Wi-Fi and Bluetooth din itong ating TV para sa wireless connectivity. May wall mount support din siya at meron siya ditong 4 na lagayan ng screw para sa bracket. Dito naman sa harapan ay yung kanyang receiver, LED notification lights, switch on and off ng microphone at yung kanyang power button. So guys, i-turn on na natin yung ating TV and let's see what it has to offer. Isa sa feature ng P1 series ay yung kanyang bezel-less design na almost borderless yung sides. So ayan, kung makikita nyo talagang manipis yung frame. And sa display naman, meron itong 4K ultra high definition na resolution. Meron itong 60Hz refresh rate at supported din ito ng Dolby Vision at HDR10+ para ma-enhance yung kulay, yung sharpness at yung contrast ng ating TV screen. Meron itong 1 billion colors para maging vibrant at true to life ang picture quality ng ating display. Guys, meron na rin siyang mga pre-installed apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube at marami pang iba. Meron din siyang voice command using the OK Google feature. So, itry natin. Open YouTube.
Okay, launching YouTube on the TV.
Open Netflix.
Opening Netflix.
Available din ng Play Store at pwede kang mag-install ng mga additional na applications. Aside sa mga video applications, pwede rin maglagay ng games at maglaro dito sa ating TV using yung kanyang Bluetooth remote control as a game controller. So guys, yung kanyang remote ay 360 degrees. Pwede siyang gumana kahit hindi nakatutok sa TV screen. Ang Xiaomi P1 Android TV ay powered by MediaTek 961 processor na may Mali-G52 MP2 na graphics. Meron itong 2GB of RAM at 16GB of internal storage. Ang kanyang operating system ay Android 10 for TV. So far, na-enjoy ko naman yung bago kong TV. Sobrang niyang laki, sobrang linaw at sobrang ganda ng picture quality. Of course, highly recommended ko siya and sobrang affordable, swak na swak sa budget. So kung may plan kayong bumili ng bagong TV, you might wanted to check the P series ng Xiaomi. Guys, thank you for watching. Again, this is Basti and see you on my next video.